Okay, this is a video tutorial on how to program a new garage door opener remote for a LiftMaster Security Plus garage door opener. And I'm uploading this because I looked up different tutorials online and on YouTube, and I couldn't find any that accurately depicted how to program a new remote for this particular model or for this LiftMaster garage door opener. So here are the instructions for this remote. In this case, I have the model 893 Max, but this works for these other models of the remote. And you can pause the video here if you want to read these instructions. But you can see that the key is that you have to see what color the Learn button on your garage door opener is, and that'll tell you how to program your new remote based off of the model that you have. So for example, mine is a red or orange Learn button. And you can see in the instructions here that means that I have a 390 megahertz Security Plus garage door opener type. And that means in this step, I have to press the button that I want to program. I have to press it 3 times. Okay, so let's try that. Okay, so I've got my new remote here, and like the instructions say, on the back, there is a Learn button. You can see that right there, and I'm gonna press it with a pencil or a pen or a paper clip, and I'm gonna press it until the light on the front lights up. There we go. Now I'm going to press and release the remote control button I want to use, this big one, 3 times because that corresponds with my model of garage door opener. Once, let it blink. Twice, let it blink. 3 times, let it blink. And now you press any other button to exit programming mode. You press any other button that's not the button that you want to program, which, I'm trying to program the big button. And then it says to press and release the Learn button on the garage door opener, and then a light will light up, and then within 30 seconds, you just want to press the button that you just programmed on the remote. Okay, so I'm going to try that right here. Press it, you see the light turned on. Now I'm going to press the remote button once, and now you see the light on my garage door opener blinked, which means it received the remote signal. Now I'll test it out, and it works. And I'll close my, and that's it. That works. So that's how you program a new remote for your LiftMaster garage door opener. Hope this helps.